What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jermaine, and I got a video for y'all. I just received this in the mail. Yeah, let's unbox this. Let's open it up. Let's test it out. This is called the Dental Duty. This is an electric toothbrush, and if you guys know me, I love electric things. I like electric cars. I like electric skateboards, and now I got an electric toothbrush and toothbrush. I can't wait to test this out. So let's unbox it. Let's open it up. Let's figure it out. Let's just talk about this thing first. So this is the Dental Duty. This is a toothbrush, and I don't have one of those really big knives like most YouTubers have when they do unboxing videos. So I'm gonna have to open this like old-fashioned way, just like when you was a little kid and your mom gave you a toy and you just wanted to open it really fast without a knife. And I'm unboxing this bad boy now. So what is this? It removes up to 100% more plaque within 1 week. Okay, that sounds chill. Let's check out the back here. This thing is just packed and loaded. It's got all sorts of features. So 40,000 sonic vibrations per minute. Wow, how do you even count that? Like, I don't know, per minute, yo. This thing has got some serious vibration. I better not let my ex-girlfriend get a hold of this bad boy. Anyway, healthy gums in just 2 weeks. So this toothbrush can help your gums, yo. This is what they're saying. Ooh, this is super cool right here, yo. This is all about me right here. USB charging. Yes, this has a USB charger, yo. Like you don't have to go out and look for batteries. Like who even use batteries anymore? Maybe for a remote, but batteries are like so old school. I just don't like to go out and buy batteries. I would just love to, use USB. I would love to use US Type C. But USB, USB is better than batteries. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. This thing also has a 2-minute timer. So you won't brush for too long, and you know that you're brushing enough because you just brush for 2 minutes, and then I guess it stops because that's what a timer does, right? Right? A timer stops, right? Ding! Cha-cha, yes. Whiter teeth in just 2 weeks. We'll find out about that. Yep, we'll definitely find out about that. I wonder why did this company even say, yo, you want a free toothbrush? They probably was going through YouTube videos and say, yo, this guy could use a toothbrush. So thanks, guys. Thanks a lot, because, I'm used to these toothbrushes. You get them from the dollar store for like 99 cents. Sometimes you can get them 2 for 99 cents, but this is just... Maybe I can use this on my skateboard wheels now since I got this bad boy, because this looks pretty cool. But let's keep going on. This is like waterproof. What a rating of IPX7. I don't exactly remember what all the ratings mean. Like I kind of know of them when we talk about iPhones and Samsung phones, but I don't exactly know what that means off the top of my head. But if you do, guess what? This bad boy comes with what I just said, the whole IPX7 rating. Big question mark. Okay. Over 1800 milliamp battery. So that's a pretty decent sized battery. If you guys are curious, what does that mean? So for example, I have a power bank and it has 20,000 milliamp batteries. So if I was stranded in the middle of an island, in the middle of the jungle, if I was stranded anywhere and I had my electric toothbrush and my 20,000 milliamp external battery pack, I could charge my toothbrush more than 10 times. How awesome is that? Did I get the math right? Yeah, maybe slightly more than 10 times. You get what I'm saying. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's inside. Let's see how this thing works. Let's see. Whoa. I think this is like the first video that I'm filming completely in the bathroom, or the toilet, or the restroom, or the john, or whatever you call it in your country. It comes with a nice little box here. Looks like I got it upside down. Is this the way to open it? Yes, this looks like the way to open it. Let's open it like so. Oh, it's a toothbrush. It's an electric toothbrush. Yes, it is an electric toothbrush, and it comes with 2 extra heads here. Now, I just unboxed this. I didn't read any instructions. Like, I don't know how this thing works. But it looks to be very, very simple. This is, let's see what this is. This looks like a USB plug. Everything uses USB. No, this is USB, but this end's a little bit different. So I guess they have their own chip. I thought that this was a USB port here, but this is a different end. But this is all good. So if you ever lose this, you're totally screwed, because where else are you gonna find a charger like this? Or if you wake up at your girlfriend's house and you have your electric toothbrush with you, she's probably not gonna have this hookup at her house. So this is something that you want to keep in mind. And what else is in here? Is there something else in here? I think it was just that. So let's try this thing out. So it looks like it comes with 2 extra heads. I don't know how long these are good for, but I guess once they start to wear down, you want to toss them out and get another one. But yeah, it comes with 2 of these, and let's see. You just screw this arm like so, and then you lock it. Oh, you lock it. You press this button. Whoa. Whoa. This thing's got some power. Woo. Now I can't do, and look at this. It even has this little, this battery symbol on the bottom, so you can know. White, clean, sensitive, polish, massage. So you got 5 different options. Imagine you press this button here, the on button, and then you change, from the different settings, just going down, which is pretty cool. Wow, this is pretty cool. So I definitely have to try it out, but you can't. I have to have some toothpaste. So I got some Dr. Bronner's toothpaste, and Dr. Bronner's is very, very popular. When I first moved to California, like more than 10 years ago, hella people were using Dr. Bronner's, and I just couldn't figure it out. Like I just couldn't figure it out. People were not using the toothpaste. People were using the Dr. Bronner's, the soap, the body wash. Actually, Dr. Bronner's is not very known for their toothpaste. They're more known for their body soaps and stuff like that. But their toothpaste is amazing. Their toothpaste is vegan. It's 100% animal free. It uses like all organic product, or 90% organic ingredients. It's fluoride free. It tastes really, really good. It doesn't like, like how you brush your teeth with some toothpaste and then you can't like eat anything afterwards. Well, check this out. I'm about to brush my teeth, and after I'm done with this video, like I'm gonna go cook a Beyond Burger. So like it doesn't like have this thick taste in your mouth. So yeah, let's try out this toothbrush. Yeah, I already know what this toothpaste is all about. This toothpaste is freaking amazing. But let's see if this toothbrush is amazing. Now, I have used an electric toothbrush, but it's been a very, very long time since the last time I used an electric toothbrush. I can't remember the last time it was. It was like years ago. I think when I was like a kid or something, just because it was like cool to have an electric toothbrush. And it's just been a very, very long time. This is also the kitty size of the Dr. Bronner's. I was looking for like the full size Dr. Bronner's. I think it's about, what is it? It's bigger than this or whatever, but this is like 28 grams or 1 ounce. And the bigger one is the way to go. This is like the travel size, so you can easily like travel with this one. Just like you can easily travel with this freaking toothbrush, because it comes with this like really cool clean case. And I was looking at this case before I opened it. I noticed that it had holes in it. I guess that's to let a little air in, because when you put your toothbrush in here, maybe it might be a little damp. So these holes will let some air in. So now I guess I'll brush my teeth for you guys. And looks like it's all done. Wow, that's pretty cool, pretty smooth. Takes away a lot of the work, It's just like riding an electric skateboard. It takes away a lot of the work, This is not bad. It looks like there is one more head, so it comes with 3. instead of 2. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that was pretty cool. I don't know what to say. That was pretty freaking awesome. I'll definitely be using this again. This is pretty cool. If you guys want to check one of these out, if you guys want to get one of these, I'll definitely have a link in the description below. If you click on the link, there will be a discount code, so you can get some money off one of these. Now, they did send me this toothbrush, so I just want to say that in the video, but yeah, I think this is a pretty cool toothbrush. It feels really good, and I can't wait to continue using this. You'll probably see it in some of my other videos, and I'll probably travel with it, because why not? Like, why travel with this toothbrush when I can travel with this toothbrush? That's just the name of the game. But anyway, if you like this video, give your homeboy Jermaine a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this from me, hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, y'all.